Hello, I'm Dr. Igor Simonov, and today I'm going to talk about the combined herbal and acupuncture treatment using the xing pulse diagnosis, 5-movement pulse diagnosis according to Xing. So here we see the pulse map of the patient who arrived for the treatment of the acne in the right side of his face. So what we can see here is the meridians of the lung, heart, pancreas, liver, right and left kidney, large small intestine, stomach, gallbladder, sanjiao, and the urinary bladder. So here's the progress of today's treatment. What we can see first day, it was the lung meridian, movement of the fire, large intestine meridian, movement of the earth, the same like the gallbladder meridian, which indicate of the accumulation of the dampness in the surface of the body, and again urinary bladder, for example, movement of the fire. Second day after the acupuncture treatment, I was explaining it in this some videos before. We see that lung, for example, improved, became the movement of the metal, the urinary bladder became the movement of the water, and we see some effect of the treatment. And for the third treatment, when the patient arrived, what we can see, it is only some disbalance between the stomach and gallbladder meridian. But in reality, if we will check all days during all treatment, this disbalance between the gallbladder and stomach was persisting. So I decided to use the herbal formulation by the Katai herbal, which is the Xiao Chai Hu Fan. So this Xiao Cai Hu Fan is the Mima Buplerum combination. Most of the herbs, they actually has the effect on the stomach, gallbladder, meridian, and remove accumulation of the dampness, the fire, heat from the surface. So in the third treatment, patient received the prescribed by the Katai herbal 8 pills dissolved in the warm water. So 20 minutes afterwards, pulse was taken, and this balance between the stomach and gallbladder was still persisting. So patient received 2 more pills resolved in the warm water, and 20 minutes afterwards again pulse was taken, and actually this balance between the stomach and gallbladder was resolved. So pulse was as it's supposed to be. Stomach was the movement of the earth, and gallbladder movement of the wood. So it took 40 minutes for to actually adjust amount of the medicine which this patient supposed to take, and now he was taking 3 times a day instead of 8 pills, 12 pills, especially adapted for his condition and for his absorption. And yes, the acne was relieved. So we can use this xing pulse diagnosis not only for acupuncture, also helping with the herbal, adding the herbal treatment and controlling with the pulse how these herbs are working, avoiding the toxicity, and looking actually what is the exact amount, how we can adjust amount of the herb giving to each patient. Thank you.